Ladies and gentlemen, my name's Sam. This is Sam Care. Today we're gonna show you 4 things in my trailer. And folks, if you stay until the end, we got one special thing. It's a bonus. It's not necessarily something that has to do lawn care, but I use it every day. We'll get there.
4 things in my trailer. In my trailer. 4 things in my trailer. Mower, trimmer, gas. Mower, trimmer, gas tank. Don't forget the steel blower. Gas tanks in my trailer.
In our trailer is a weed whacker, a trimmer. It depends on where you're at in the United States of America. Some people call it a trimmer. I call it a trimmer. You got a weed whacker, a weed wheelie, a weed walker, a snipper snapper, a tiddler taddler. It just depends on what your flavor is for calling it. This trimmer right here is a Red Max BCZ230TX. That stands for, I don't really know what that stands for. I like this trimmer because it's really light. I don't know how much, maybe 6 pounds, 7 pounds. It's got a nice good gas tank on it. Really easy to change the spool right here. I got a video on that. You can check it out up there. Not only that, you can take these and you can throw them.
Orange chicken drink
Third thing that's in my trailer is a mower. This right here, folks, is a Skag. Now, Skag, I have been using this now for possibly, I'd say, all my life I've used Skag. I had a Toro that I used with another company, but whenever I made my own company, I said, I'm gonna get a Skag. There's a lot of things I could say about it. The tread on these tires are great. They're not super wide. You've got also this little it has blades that spin underneath it. I mean, it's a commercial grade mower. It's gonna do the job. It makes great stripes. I love the way that this stripes. It's just beautiful. It's perfect. Every time I've ever mowed with the Skag is that it makes the best stripes. And if you don't believe me, I got a video on that too, right there. You have to have a mower. If you don't have a mower, that's your. You can go without blowing and trimming somebody's yard, but if you don't have a mower in your trailer, that's a big problem. You need to go and speak to psychiatrist. I like the orange. My favorite part about it is orange. The V-Ride 2, it's got the Kawasaki FX730V. Now, this is not the upgraded engine. However, this does what you need it to do. I believe this is the 23 horsepower. There's also one that has a 26 horsepower. If you ever do get one of these, don't touch this right here. That's the muffler. That's gonna burn you, and you don't want to get burned. Number 4 is a gas tank. All right, folks, bonus item. This right here is the bonus item, the Trimmer Helper 3000. If you ain't got one of these in your trailer, you are doing something wrong. This thing makes everything more fun whenever you're out cutting lawns, trimming. Even when you're trimming around trees, when you're trimming around sidewalks, when you're trimming or edging, or whatever you gotta do. I like using this. Makes it more fun, more beloved. And not only that, people ask questions. They say, do you like your job? And I tell them, yeah, every time I'm always on this. And they say, what do you do? And I say, I like this because I'm going quick on it. Makes it more efficient, makes my day shorter so I can get home and see the kids. That's why I like the Trimmer Helper 3000. It's just more efficient. So if you haven't gotten a Trimmer Helper 3000, you should probably get a Trimmer Helper 3000. If you haven't seen the video on that, that's right there. All right, folks, that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to comment what item is your favorite and smash that like button, and then go ahead and subscribe if you enjoy this content. Yep. You gotta help me out with this. I don't know what.